Good morning, everybody. I am John, and y'all are watching Dirt Daddy on YouTube. Come on, let's try to make a buck or two today. By the way, Joseph, he had to go to Pensacola with a load of brown dirt. It's a beautiful day. Look up there, y'all can see it. How come that ain't a cloud in the sky? 36 degrees this morning in Milton, Florida. Gonna be 76 this evening, 70 something. That sun will burn you. I have to wear my Kid Rock hat to keep the top of my ears from burning off, especially this one over here in this window. Keep it down low, keep them ears tucked in under there. Believe me, I'm not joking. I don't like my ears to be scabbed over. If you don't do something, I don't put on sunscreen every day. I don't put on sunscreen ever. I put on my Kid Rock hat. But anyway, I'm going to show y'all a little something today on the driveway. It's already been rocked. This is a hillside. There's one thing about where we live, there's hillsides, creeks, rivers. Over on Pond Creek, there's a lot of houses going down to the creek. They wash out, you know, that water running off the road up here, runs down the driveways. We had to go back and fix them, which I hadn't fixed this one in a couple, 3 years. So. But we're just going to truck spread some rock down it, some gray rock, limestone. I'm going to show y'all how we do it in the ruts. Got a little deal I made. It works real well. So. Just getting on the interstate over there to head back. We got 3 more to go in that foundation I've been telling y'all about. I guess I have. I don't know. Maybe we got it on there yet. But anyway, we've been working on a foundation up the woods where we're doing lunch. Up there at that little Harold store. But anyway, truck didn't want to let me in there. Y'all watch it. He's trying to jerk around, cut us off and all that. I have my blinker on. Just let me in. But anyway, we got 3 loads to go over that foundation. We didn't spread it. We just hauled the dirt in. So, but it's on a hillside down to a lake. Big, tall, about head tall on the back side. But anyway, Joseph's going from Pensacola and get off over there all the way to the last Milton exit, get to the pit and haul on out. A little community out about 18 mile out that way. But it's back in the community, but the job's back in, way back in there. It's a good little hitch. But anyway, he's gonna take care of that. I'm gonna get this rock. If he ain't done, we'll go help him. Give y'all a shot of this rock yard. That's the asphalt plant, one of them. But this is the rock yard. I'm gonna y'all watch this. Hey, we can't get close enough to them probably to make them fly. Them jokers will fly. There'll be a million of them right in the windshield when that water's out in the road. But anyway, this is the rock yard. That way back over there is the county landfill, the dump. We're gonna pull in here and get us a load of rock. Bald eagles raise here over around the dump. Got me why, kind of a bird sanctuary, but the bald eagles do raise here. They'll be sitting on these piles like those. The bald eagle will be sitting up there a lot. We had a kill here a couple years ago that got into something from the hospital that was dumped at the dump, and it killed like 10 or 12. It made the news and all on TV, but that there's a lot of bald eagles. They come from here over to our place. You'll see them sitting on the dam at our place. I'll have to show y'all a picture of that. But anyway, we at the scales right now. Alright, how about you? You're good. Picking up the trash, are we?
Yeah, heading down the road, all kinds of trash.
Got to do it. Somebody got in here to be back tomorrow. tailgate. Okay, y'all. We're fixing to go down this road. There it is. Like I said, we've done it. He likes to keep his road fresh. We're just gonna paint it in each lane. Watch this. You gotta tie that tailgate. That right there is pretty thick. That makes for a thick spread. I don't want to tie y'all on here. Hold on. Y'all got to hold on now. Might get rough. Y'all a little too close to live action that time, didn't I? Hey, I couldn't stop. Hey, one thing about it, when your truck's spreading rock, if you stop, guess what? You better have you a machine, because you just made a pile. And the way we done this, I want y'all to look. See that little old pile right there? That's the pile we got. And there's a wire up there I had to stop, but I almost, you see that way there? We just truck spread that 600 feet. That one load of rock. We just brought it down this road 600 feet. When you split that and don't let it go out in the center and you just cover the two ruts like we just done, man, it goes a long ways. You can see the center, so he still got grass. He ain't no new. He just makes a load of rock go a long ways. I mean, here he is. He's 100 feet from the road, but a little over. But we finna get the word, see if he wants another one or not. Y'all hang tight. What you think?
I can use another load.
One more. I'll go get it.
And on this one, the next load, try and cut this way a little. This is the side that the water wash is on.
So, you want to start back up here again?
Start up there, and you can probably go a little faster because you already have
I'll tie that other side tighter.
Yeah, you can do that. That way we get a little
I
bit on
can.
this side.
Alright. I'll be back. I'm gonna stop get something to eat. Alright, brother. He want one more. But he's just gonna widen the road a little. The road's a little off camera because the water runs down that side, so he just wants to put more in that lane. We'll tighten that side of the gate, of the tailgate, and that way it'll put a lot more of it out on my driver's side. We'll tighten the passenger side. But hey, I won't stick y'all back there in the live action this time. I'll find somewhere else. Man, that scared me. I thought I was gonna tear y'all up. I know somebody got a headache out of that. But I couldn't stop. There ain't no stopping. You don't stop until the truck spreading the load unless you got a machine. I'm like, well, they getting the daggum worms eye view now. That's funny. Alright, let's go get another load. 57 stone. That's what we're hauling, that big pile there. Load number 2. The birds all gone. They were drinking, now they eating. Okay, y'all. That's how I do just the ruts. And I'm telling you, that's down there about, that's 600 feet for sure. But we put it two loads thick is what we done. 2 loads thick. I tied that side tighter and made this side's really thicker, the second load. With these chains right here that we got unhooked. It don't never leave them hooked and then go load a load of dirt, try to dump a load of dirt. You got a problem when you do that, believe me.